Hey guys, it's Ao. 皆さんこんにちは、Ao です。Today I'm gonna make takoyaki. Do you guys know takoyaki? I hope it's famous in the world. It's very tasty Japanese food, I think, and easy to make. So please try to make it with me. Anyway, first I'm gonna show you the ingredients for takoyaki. First, this one. Do you guys know this one? It's dashi. Dashi means soup stock, Japanese soup stock. So if you don't get this one in the super nearby, you can also use this one. Can you imagine it? It's dried seaweed. You can use this one instead. Both are okay. Dashi or seaweed. And then mirin. Mirin. We often use this one when we make miso soup, nimono, nikujaga, and so on. Many Japanese food. And okay, eggs. Today I use 2 eggs for 2 people. Sauce. Takoyaki sauce. I think you can get this sauce in the Asian super in your country. And mayonnaise. And this one is red ginger. Can you see it? Red ginger. I think it's difficult to get your country. So if you can get this one, you can use it. Or not, you don't need to use it. Okay? And next, flour. Yeah. The pronunciation is not good, I think. Flour. So I would like to brush up my English skill. So I would like also show you guys Japanese food. So I would like you to make Japanese food in your country. So if you have any comments, please tell me. And good button please. And subscribe. Sorry, I forgot to introduce this one. This one is kind of seaweed, dried seaweed. And okay, let's make it. Please prepare the bowl. Flour, add to this bowl. Today I make takoyaki for 2 people. Yeah, someone use cabbage, but I don't use it. Next, water here. 250 milliliters, like this. And mix together, yeah. Next, add 2 eggs. Mix together. Yeah, it's very easy. Do you think so? I think so. I added flour a little bit, 2 tablespoons. You don't need to use chopsticks. You can use others, okay? Next, and dashi for 1 tablespoon. Yeah. And then mirin, Japanese rice made wine here, and red ginger. It's very sour, like this. It's very like watery, but it's okay. If this one looks like thick, the takoyaki get your heard. The thing is the best. Let's go to the next process. Okay, next step, let's grill takoyaki. This one, I use this one. Takoyaki machine, taco cooker. If you come to Japan, please buy this one. It's not so expensive, I think. 2,000 yen. I bought this one. And the gas stove or cassette gas. I don't know how to say this machine. So if you know it, please comment. Let me know. Setting the gas and oil, vegetable oil. Yeah, okay. Fire. Okay, I explained this. This one is like long toothpick, long version. Using this one, so after grilled takoyaki and revolving it like this, it's very fun. You can make it with your friends, family, or your children. In Japan, so usually high school student or university student make takoyaki with them friends in their house. So they call it takoyaki party. It's good. So let's grill. Okay, add takoyaki ingredients carefully. Okay, carefully. What? Yeah, looks very good. And smells very good also. Dashi's smell is very good. Wait for a little bit. It takes 5 minutes. Let's wait. Okay. Yeah, like pizza. Cut them like pizza. Yeah. Okay, let's revolve them. Revolve upside down. Which is better in English? Let me know. My takoyaki skill is very good. Here. Oh, good. Oops, I forgot the ingredients of takoyaki. Inside takoyaki. Usually, takoyaki has ingredients inside the takoyaki. Usually octopus in Japanese name taco. So octopus pancake means takoyaki. So but octopus is expensive in Japan. So I use cheese instead of octopus. Cheese. I love cheese. The ingredients inside the takoyaki, anything is okay. If you like sausage, it's okay. Bacon, it's okay. Fish, it's okay. Look, looks so delicious. Yeah, smells very good. I'm good at making takoyaki. I often make it for my wife. My wife loves it. bowl, like a bowl. This area's fire is weak, I think. うわ英語でなんて言うこのエリアは、あんまり焼けてない。このエリアはすごく焼けてます。さあ、英語でなんて言うでしょうかわかりません。This area is good, but this area is not good. Yeah, smells good. Okay, let's wait a little bit. Okay. Oh, good. Okay, change the position like this. Okay, it's beautiful. Almost done. Good. Stop the fire and prepare your favorite plate. This one is my favorite. Arita plate. It's very famous in Japan. Arita yaki. They are very cool, do you think? So yeah, I think so. So they are very hot. Let's move there into plate. Wow! It's very soft and sakusaku. How to say sakusaku in English? Fuwa means soft. Sakusaku? How about sakusaku? Crunchy? やばい、こいつだけ入らんぞ。Okay, yeah, look at this. Next process, let's go. Okay, let's sauce on takoyaki. First, takoyaki sauce. It's sweet. Okay, next, mayonnaise. It looks good, very beautiful. Okay, the last one is this one, aosako. Aonori, water, okay. Dried seaweed here. It looks like parsley, but it's very different. Damn. 完成. Let's eat. Okay, let's eat. Yeah, look at this. Looks so good. Okay, let's eat. Uma. So good. Today's drink is Japanese green tea. Jajan. I love Japanese green tea. And this mug cup is Starbucks mug cup. I've been to America, Kansas City, and I bought it in Kansas City. Okay, let's eat slowly. いただきます。